From the church, we're gonna try to hike to the glacier. But they said maybe not able to in the winter, but we'll try. It's a very steep climb to the top of that ridge. But it's been snowing this whole time. It was like nice snow. All the hiking guides told us not to hike this place in the winter. The snow's picked up. It didn't look this steep when we were down there. Drops off straight down. You should be able to see the church from here. It's just too much snow to see. It's so windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but look at the snow. Absolutely crazy snow. All day, has not stopped. The wind's crazy. Okay, so welcome back to day 3. We're heading to Kazbegi now, which is the mountains. We'll be at the Caucasus Mountains, which is right on the border of Russia and Georgia. But yeah, I'm excited because it's a 3-hour drive, but we get some wonderful weather today. But there's a good chance we get to Kazbegi and it's all just fog and cold and rain. Yeah, it's been snowing all day and wet. Mom's excited. Oh, I can't even focus. Oh. I really had to get out of the car because the car smells like cigarettes the whole time, so I was gonna puke. Well, out here, air is fresh and the water's so blue. I feel like, why didn't you go to Switzerland? Well, you can just come to Georgia, you know? Woo!
We are at Ananuri.
We're at Ananuri.
Monastery.
Yeah, it's a monastery. Right over there. We had a funny situation, right, Mama?
Yes.
Yeah, out of nowhere, we got a call from my mom's Airbnb, and someone wants to stay there, and guess where he's from? Georgia. Which, I was curious. I was like, where did Georgian people even go? I've never met a Georgian person outside of Georgia.
You just said that yesterday?
Yeah, I said that yesterday, and now we got a Georgian person staying at our Airbnb. Very nice. What nice weather. I can't get over how lucky we are with the weather today. Hello. We got some cute dogs, too. These guys got the blue tags, which I think is just green but faded. No. So this is Ananuri Monastery.
Ananuri.
Wow. Super pretty. Wow. What a good boy. What a good boy. This one's very skinny though, very sad. Very friendly though. Oh my god, what a sweetie. Man, hit a nasty whip and nene. Whip and nene. Hit a whip. Mom, hit it. Whip. They drive pretty crazy here. Feels like I'm in a rally car. The roads are super bumpy. There's gravel at parts, there's potholes at parts. He's swerving through traffic. We're almost at Kazbegi. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. It's actually incredible. Screensaver. We got snow on this side, you know. And it's sunny. It's like cloudy. Oh, just incredible. I cannot believe this is real. This is actually stunning. You can see the mountains. Oh my god. Wow. Look at that. Up there is Gergely Holy Trinity Church, which is where we're going to be tomorrow. And then we can hike up to the glacier. That's Mount Shani? Or no, that's Mount Kazbegi. I didn't bring a swimsuit. If I had known they had this kind of thing here, I would have brought my swimsuit. What? Whoa, 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 whoa. Got a punching bag. Oh, a Smith machine. And look, oh my Jesus. What is this, dude? What is this? Look at the view. Life is good. Life is really good. We're down by the bar now. We got a bottle of wine coming. We got coffee coming. We got so much food coming too. And
Okay.
it's actually unbelievable. You having fun, Mom?
Yes. What do you want to have more fun with it?
Yeah, I was genuinely prepared because it's November, it's low season. The weather's very unpredictable, especially in the mountains here. So I was 100% prepared to come here and it'd be foggy, rainy, wet, but oh my God, I just can't I can't overstate how lucky I am.
Think about how we came up here.
Yeah, we almost died on the car ride as well, but it's so worth it. Like, I actually thought that we would not see the mountain at all here because I thought it'd just be so foggy, but very lucky. Whoa, big glass. Yeah, the big glass, proper Georgian wine.
Yeah.
It's got some spice. It's got some spice to it. It's really good though. Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you. Saperavi.
Area.
Yeah, pheasant's tears. It's a pretty sick name. Okay, we're doing a video with Mom. We've got khachapuri right here. Ooh, here we have pork matsvadi, grilled pork. Whoa, lots of red onion. That's Mom's favorite. Cheese and tomato salad, and then here is karcho, beef stew. Okay, let me try the khachapuri. It's like fancy khachapuri. Doesn't look like the ones out on the street. Let's try it. Ooh, it's hot. The cheese is so good, Mom. Yeah. Okay, grilled pork. Can we get some kind of berry sauce? Wow. The outside's crunchy. Inside's juicy. Oops, look at that bite. That is crazy. It's a lot like caprese. A little bit more flavor to it though. Beef stew. There you go. Oh, very rich. Oh, I like that a lot. Everything's a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. You like it, Mom?
What is it?
To be a dog in this kind of setting. Oh, it's a red tag. It's gonna kill us. Wow. Look at this sunset. Kazbegi Mountain. Gergeti Trinity Church. Even behind our hotel is this like massive mountain called Mount Shani. Hi, Mom. Mount Kazbek there is the 5th tallest mountain in the Eurasian continent. No, not Eurasian continent. The European continent. The 5th tallest mountain, 5,020 meters, right?
Is it cheese?
Bread.
Bread?
Bread?
Bread.
My mom,
Georgian bread.
Georgian bread.
Okay. Such as eating?
No problem.
Eat, man.
No.
Yeah, we're all dressed up in our hiking gear. We're fake hikers, though. We're gonna take a taxi up to the church, and then from there, oh, there's a cow on the road.
Church name Gergeti Trinity Church.
Gergeti Trinity
This
Church.
down village Gergeti. A monastery name Gergeti Trinity Church.
Okay, thank you.
13th, 14th century.
13th, 14th.
Monastery.
Yeah.
Very old. 2,200 meters there.
Yeah.
Mount Kazbek, 5,054.
Kilometer? 5,000?
Mom, meter is tall. What do you what do you mean kilometer? From the church we're gonna try to hike to the glacier. But they said maybe not able to in the winter, but we'll try. Mom's all Eskimo'd up. We got bread in the back seat in case we get hungry later. Yeah, oh my goodness.
Right.
It's snowing up here.
It's snow.
Yeah. See, Mom, I told you it'd snow today, and you're like, no, it's not gonna snow. It's snowing up on the mountain, though. We're the only ones up here. What do you mean?
ก็ใช่ไง
ไม่มีใครเลย
ก็ไม่มีใครไง
Yeah, check it out. It's snowing.
It's snow.
Oh, a dog wants.
Hello, doggy.
Can you see the snow on the camera? You can see the snow on the dog, though. Oh, hi, boy. Hello. What tag are you? You're no tag. But you look nice. Don't bite me. Oh, what a nice girl. Or boy. Oh, there's another guy. This one's cute, too. Oh, it's snowing a lot. Why would these dogs choose to be on top of the mountain? It's rough. All right, Mom. Drip check. Mom, show me your fit. No, show me my fit. Deal? There you go, fit check. We're making our way to the top. My hands are already cold. I'm already tired, to be honest. But the glacier, we're going all the way up there. It's not bad. We'll be fine. And here we are, Kazbegi Trinity Church. It's about 800 years old. You can see the Kazbek Valley over there. Our hotel's down there somewhere. That's Mount Shani over there, bordering Russia. Mount Kazbek's over there, also bordering Russia. And then 15 kilometers down the old Georgian military highway is also Russia. So we're very close. But yeah, let's head in to Kazbegi Trinity Church. Welcome to Kazbegi Trinity Church. The view is actually phenomenal. Wow. Absolutely breathtaking. I don't even know if my camera does it justice. But yeah, look, okay, so we're going up from here, all the way up that ridge, across the mountain, top of the mountain, and then we'll get to the Seravesta Pass, which has a shrine or some kind of church in it. But yeah, that's our plan for the day. Past that is the glacier. So the plan's to walk on a glacier today. If we get there or not, we'll see. Wind's picking up, snowing a little bit. It's a very steep climb to the top of that ridge, but we'll make it. Okay, stage 1 complete. We've mounted the first, I guess, hill. Kazbegi's over there. Mount Shani is over there. Mom is over here. How you doing, Mom? She's struggling a little bit. It's very windy up here, though. There's 2 routes you can take to get up to the glacier. One on top of the hill and one below the ridge. The one on top of the hill obviously has a better view. However, since it's on top of the ridge, it's way more windy.
Why don't we choose the lower one?
Because we want better views, Mom. But yeah, the lower one will not have as much wind. But Mom, look at the view. You wouldn't see this from the bottom. All you'd see is just dead trees. Look at that. Man, look behind you.
I like dead trees. Cold is too big. The wind got inside my tent.
Your tent?
Yeah, it's just like cold inside now.
Next step is to walk about 3 kilometers down there to get the Seravesta Pass or whatever it is.
ไหนอะขึ้นไปอีกเหรอ
Yeah.
มันขึ้นไปอยากไหวเหรอลูก
Yeah, we'll go as much as we can.
As the first one ใช่ไหมไม่ใช่ไปหาโคตร glacier giant blue topaz. That's the first one.
Okay.
Like a little bitty glacier.
ก็นี่ไง glacier แล้ว
Okay, we fine. Let's go home. Yeah.
No, Mom. We have to go all the way.
In this wet tent. I have wet tent. with
Why
me.
is it wet?
Because I'm sweat inside. Hello world. People of the world.
We might not make it to the glacier today because my mom underdressed
No, I'm fine.
and it's quite far. I'm feeling good though. Thanks, Tong. Shout out for the drip. It actually looks sick. It's really windy, but we took the lower route under the ridge. So up there would be way windier, but we're down here, so it's a little nicer. But it's been snowing this whole time. It's like nice snow. Oh, it's windy now. If you look at the path as well, it's like fresh layer of snow. So as you walk, it just crunch, 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 crunch. Very ASMR.
Hello. Good. I need to fix my hat.
Get with the view. 1, 2, 3, say Kazbegi. 1, 2, 3.
Kazbegi.
Very Georgian. We're in the Georgian Caucasus Mountains hiking. Eating khachapuri cheese bread. You good, Mom? Yummy? Okay, what you see over there, you can see his head peeking out right over the ridge. Some crazy Russian we met on the mountain. He was so fast, no bag, no walking sticks. He just came, overtook us. We talked to him for a bit. He's like, yeah, I was happy I saw your footsteps on the mountain because I wasn't alone. And I was like, where are you going? He's like, I don't know, I was just following your footsteps. I was like, oh, well then he went ahead. We're like, we'll follow his footsteps. So back there is a crazy Russian. And over there, it's a crazy Thai lady that actually decided to follow the Russian because we started out down there, and instead of walking up across the white and then up and around, the Russian carved his own path straight up like a 45-degree hill. And my mom actually followed him. Say hello. It didn't look this steep when we were down there, but it's a pretty sheer cliff face and it's very hard to walk on this tall grass. But look, it just drops off straight down to where we're sitting. Mom, I'm proud of you.
What are we coming to see here, Adam?
Yeah, so we got up to this ridge because all we could see from down there was this little ridge here. Then we get up here and we notice there's another ridge. So, go, Mom. Okay, we're on that ridge again. And we've made the executive decision to head home. And we won't be seeing the glacier this time. But it's okay because actually, all the hiking guides told us not to hike this place in the winter and only come during the summer. So, we did better than we expected. Mom's super impressive. She climbed like, I don't know, like a 45, 50-degree slope, which is crazy.
Can I speak?
What?
Adam didn't tell me it's difficult ground. He said, oh yeah, I can do it. We can do it. Easy.
I didn't say it was easy. I told you.
Said that honestly. You didn't tell me the part that it's not a tunnel during winter.
That's okay. The snow's picked up, which is the main reason we're heading home, because we can't actually see anything. But yeah, we're gonna head back that way. Gergeti Church is somewhere in the snow back there. But yeah, we gotta carve our own route down the mountain. Mom, good job. Good job, Mama.
Kazbegi.
Kazbegi, yay. Okay, we've made our way from that ridge over there. Cross down here. Yeah, so we can't see it, but you should be able to see the church from here. It's just too much snow to see. But yeah, down that ridge there, cross that ridge, and then the church is there somewhere. Making good progress out in the open. It's been snowing so much you can barely see our footprints from before. They've been pretty much covered in. Yeah, it's been snowing all day. And if you look down towards Stepantsminda or Kazbegi village, still can't see it. It's still snowing. Mom's making progress too. Hey, Mama. Yeah, we'll be home soon. It's so windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but look at the snow. You can see it. It's like 90 degrees. Absolutely crazy snow all day, has not stopped. The wind's crazy, but we're back. We can see Gergeti. Right there, and yeah, we're gonna make our way back. Yay! And we're back in the land of the living, Mama.
Yeah.
Say hello, Mama.
Hello?
Hello.
I am so light. I almost get caught in the snowstorm. Almost got blew out of the mountain cliff. Died.
Yeah, our clothes are so dirty because once we got down off the mountain, all the melted snow just turned the dirt into mud. Oh look, it's this guy.
Hello, Mister. This is my friend.
Yeah, we found the Russian.
Yeah, call him.
Yeah, come on.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, come on.
Come on. Yeah.
We met our Russian friend. Yeah, he made it down off the mountain before we did. He's very fast. We made it down to the village. We're getting some food. We got some wine and tea to stay warm. As you can see, khachapuri, of course. Tomato and cucumber salad, of course. And we got grilled potato and pork, of course. Warm food. And being with my mom, of course, we ordered a lot. But the portions in Georgia are just big as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Did I, because of me?
No. I mean, we always order a lot, but thank you. Nice. Ostry. Oh, it's too spicy for me. After this, I'm gonna go home, shower.
Then get in the jacuzzi.
Get in the pool, get in the sauna. It's a mixed sauna. We just scaled another hill. Went hiking again, unintentionally, because we had no idea that from the restaurant to here is like 1.5 kilometers of straight uphill. So we're dead. We're at the hotel now. We didn't find a swimsuit, so I don't know how I'm gonna swim or enjoy the sauna. But I gotta take a shower, man. I am cold. Yeah, back at the hotel. Let's go.